844-580 WDBO, your car, your truck, your any kind of questions you may think of about something with an engine. Larry will give it his best. Chuck is calling from Kissimmee. Go ahead, Chuck. You're on the air.
Yeah, Larry, 2007 Trailblazer, Chevy Trailblazer, the 4.2 engine. I was driving it, and it was running fine, and climbing up a mountain, and it just died close to the top, and the smoke come out around the hood, but it wasn't steam, and I pulled over and checked it right away, and it was splattered with a little bit of oil, but the car wouldn't start again, and I had to have it towed.
Chuck, was it making any noises before this happened? I mean, was the motor knocking or anything like that?
Nothing at all. I had driven it from Manassas, Virginia to Uniontown, Pennsylvania, and never missed a stroke until that last mountain. And
whereabouts? Where did this happen at?
It was on Old Route 40 near Yawk Dam.
Okay.
Summit.
Okay. Chuck, I'm this doesn't sound good, but if there was, let me ask you this, how many miles were on the vehicle?
Right around 90,000.
Oh, wow. That's a very young 4.2 engine. Let me ask you this. What type of oil have you been using in it?
Mobile.
Mobile? Okay.
And I bought it off another individual, and that's what he used in it since it was new, so
okay.
I just continued.
All right. Have you got it at a shop out there yet?
I do, and they told me it was toast, that it jumped time, and I don't know whether, would the valves hit the pistons on that particular engine?
It's possible. It's possible. See, a lot of times it depends on if an engine is an interference or a non-interference engine. A lot of times that determines whether you would expect valve damage or not. But it also depends on how much carbon there is in the combustion chambers, on the valves, and on tops of the pistons. If you don't have no clearance there whenever the chain jumps, then, you could be dealing with a major disaster. But now, listen, Chuck, I'm going to tell you, just if it is the timing chain, that actually had this happen to it. If the chain jumped, which would be surprising to me at 90,000 mile. Those motors, I think I have two Trailblazers in our rental fleet, and they've probably both got a couple 100,000 mile on them. We've never lost a timing chain in either one of them. So I'm kind of suspicious of that. But it may be cheaper to do a valve job on it if it did bend the valves, and do the timing chain system on it if it needed it, as opposed to trying to buy another motor and putting in it. I think it'd be cheaper to fix what you got still. They probably don't want to get into it because it is a major job if the timing chain did jump. Just make sure that is your issue. I would question them 10 times over. So, buddy, I wish you the best of luck with this one.
Folks, Larry Perry here. For automotive information, maybe you got automotive questions on cars, trucks, vans, SUVs. Maybe you're thinking about purchasing a used vehicle, and maybe you just want my opinion. Tune in to the Magic Mechanic radio show every Saturday, 3 to 5 p.m. on wdbo.com. Also tune in to our Magic Mechanic YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe. And we'll all get together, maybe fix a few cars while we're at it.